Revered preceptors, dear participants, students, and faculty members, as technical chair of this cloud based international workshop on 25th July 2020, I would like to give a kind of technical address on e learning in higher education, a major concern area today. E-learning in higher education is one of the major concern area which is recognized as an important factor, significantly contributing to the progress of an individual, social change, and economic growth, which leads to the holistic development of the nation. LMS has a wide range of products and services which can cater to the need of 21st century learners and instructors. The popularity of LMS among the universities is very high, so the changing needs of stakeholders in education has made a pathway to move towards more virtual learning, which comprising in saving time and money and effective delivery of the instruction. As stated earlier, learning management system is a software-based application which helps us to administrate, document, track, report, and evaluate the teaching learning process, training programs, virtual classes, and e-learning programs. Functions of learning management system can be broadly divided into four major parts, and then some parts will be discussed under the main category. Stakeholders, functionality in the part of the participants or stakeholder has their own space by which they are able to access the following services, namely, view the status of the course and completion of the courses, facility to print or view the certificate, content or course management, manage, add or delete the content of the course or modules. Learning management system has different categories depending upon the usage and accessibility. The popularity of major LMS in education has been described. Different LMS according to their categories. Open source learning management system. The open source learning management systems are learning management platforms which are available under a public free license, providing users the rights to use, to change, to study, to create, and to distribute the results free of charge to anyone and for any purpose. The learning management systems, proprietary learning management system, these systems have been licensed by the developers under the legal rights belonging to the copyright owners, designed to learn, Angel, Property, Blackboard, INC are the popular one in this category. By observing the user pattern of learning management system, we can say that here are the three stakeholders. The learner are the main users of LMS and they are the first consumer of the services. The instructor, the usage of LMS to guide, supervise, assist, and evaluate learners. The administrator keep the proper flow of operation of services and its users. The most attractive feature of the e-learning is that it is student-centric. It accommodates individual preferences and needs. At the same time, it empowers students of various backgrounds to have equal to the best resources and referral material, lecture sessions, tutoring, and experienced teachers. Use of technology. Most of the professionals interested in the use of technology in education understand the importance of e-learning course sites, whether the course is taught completely online or in a hybrid environment where the instructor also has some face-to-face interaction with the students. Today, e-learning companies offer a variety of e-learning services such as building, designing training courses, offering web-based programs for learning, online learning, and content management. The services and format of e-learning allow for the following listed benefits, to name only a few. First, e-learning allows any user to host live classes on any topic. A high school chemistry teacher in California can schedule his or her classes with live video and audio feeds and have a global student audience. Second, the format allows students to learn easily for the standardized test by downloading the study material they want rather than paying heavy bills to the tuitions. Thirdly, it also allows the students to improve their scores in the standardized test by taking many tests as they want. Fourth, the e-learning format allows students to speed up and slow down as they deem necessary. The traditional educational classroom with a professor giving lecture to students and the students listening and sometimes taking notes. Communication between the professor and the students has been thought of to be a vital learning component in this delivery method. Innovations in educational delivery mechanisms such as interactive and reflective schools of thought have, however, challenged the traditional approaches in education. Progress in IT, progress in information technology has enabled new educational delivery methods such as distance learning and e-learning. As a result of this, many universities and colleges have joined this innovative e-learning world. This has led to the need of technical knowledge to teach using the internet, and the knowledge is gradually becoming a core competence for many teachers as well as the students. Use of online learning programs. The use of online learning programs enhances the cognitive and psychological skills of the students. The use of electronic learning improves the students' understanding the concepts, their problem-solving techniques, the calculation skills, and computer operational skills as well. Web-based network has provided effortless and straightforward access to the educational resources for learners everywhere and at every time, even in far-flung areas, by creating home schools, and thus has caused educational justice. The multimedia environment and the opportunity of converting data in the form of sound, images, text to video has generated interest and enthusiasm in learners. The other benefits of e-learning are peer involvement, autonomous learning, interactive, faster response. To sum up, by using the method, teachers are now not only a source of knowledge, but also this e-learning concept is helping students and faculty members. The conclusion, what I would like to say is the interesting and enlightening finding that has come up in the female students are equally effectively using e-learning when compared to the male counterparts. There are several reasons that could be attributed to the trend, such as more dedication towards learning and through e-learning process. The high results cannot be achieved in the learning and the classroom process without integrating new information and communication technologies in the education system. The use of enormous integrated set of computer and internet tools, resources allow us to achieve more efficient, effective training. Thus, e-learning is going to be the future of the day. Thank you.